Ever wondered what it would be like to own a piece of Hollywood history? A signed photograph of your favorite star, or perhaps a prop from a beloved film? Welcome to the fascinating world of Hollywood memorabilia, where the glitz and glamour of the silver screen are captured in tangible form. Hollywood memorabilia holds a unique place in the cultural landscape. These are not just objects, they're relics of cinematic history, each with its own tale to tell. They connect us to the stars and stories that we adore, allowing us to hold a piece of the magic in our hands. Take, for example, a costume worn by Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's, or the ruby slippers from The Wizard of Oz. These items are more than mere fabric and sequins. They are artifacts from some of the most iconic moments in film history. They transport us back to the golden age of Hollywood, evoking a sense of nostalgia for bygone eras. But the allure of Hollywood memorabilia goes beyond simple sentimentality. Many of these items are incredibly rare, often one of a kind, making them highly sought after by both enthusiasts and investors. The scarcity of these pieces adds to their value, turning them into tangible investments that can appreciate over time. And it's not just about owning a piece of the past. Hollywood memorabilia helps to preserve the legacy of the entertainment industry. Every autographed photo, every worn costume, every movie poster, they all contribute to the story of film and television. They serve as reminders of the moments that have captured our hearts and shaped our culture. And now, you too can join the ranks of collectors. Imagine the thrill of finding that perfect piece, the one that speaks to you, that connects you to your favorite star or film. Begin your own cinematic journey. Start your collection today. Embrace the power of Hollywood memorabilia and let the magic of the silver screen live on.